Hi there. This video is to help you with your vehicle finance project for the new car affordability. When you're looking at purchasing a new car, there's a lot of advice out there which can tell you how much you should spend on a new car. Some advice will tell you to spend a certain percentage of your annual income. Some will tell you to spend a certain percentage of your monthly income. We're going to use the monthly income because it's a little easier for our purposes. So you'll first need to figure out your before tax monthly income, and you should spend somewhere between 10 and 15% of that on a car payment monthly, no more than that. There's a lot of different advice. This will change based on your situation and based on what you need and want from a car. That's a baseline for us to start from. Now let's use a tool online which can help us with this. So I've gone to the cars.com car affordability calculator here. And this is a really nice and easy calculator that's going to work great for our purposes. So let's say we've figured out that we have a monthly payment that we can afford of $300 per month. This is going to be 10% of your before tax monthly income. So find your before tax income, convert it to monthly, take 10% of that. That is the monthly payment that you can afford. You'll see that in your project. Now, if we look at this, we see that we have an interest rate and a term already set up here. Let's set those before we look at a down payment. Now, 4.67 is a reasonable interest rate for a loan from a bank right now. Let's say we're going to go through a dealership. So let's say we can actually get a better interest rate of 3%. You may want to ask your teacher what a current good interest rate is as a way to estimate this. Now let's change our term to 72 months. That sounds like a long time. That's 6 years, but that's pretty reasonable for a new car loan now. If you're financing the vehicle, you're going to expect to pay something like that. Depending on the interest rate, depending on all that sort of stuff, this will change, but this is a good starting point. Now you can see that we have a maximum loan of $19,745. For a new car, that's not going to afford us very much. So we'll need to input some down payment here. For this project, we are not going to have a trade-in value. In real life, you might, and that would help out. So let's say that we have a down payment of $5,000. When we have that down payment, you notice that immediately our maximum loan goes up to $24,745. That is the maximum that we can spend on a vehicle, including tax. So when you go look for a new car in the next part of this project, you cannot spend more than that, including tax. Make sure that you do calculate the tax in there as well. You can also scroll down a little bit on this and you can see the total vehicle price is here. This is really all that you need for this affordability. It's nice and straightforward. Have a great day.